Hello friends, right now in this video I'll show you how to off camera scan QR code on your mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start the video. First of all, you have to move on camera. Then here click on this three line. Then you have to move on setting. Then here is the scan QR code. So if you want to off the camera scan QR code, just click on this icon. Here the scan QR code of the camera will be set off from your mobile phone. Okay, you can off like this. And if you want to on, you just click on this icon again, it will be set on. Okay, if you want to off, it will be on the left side, and if you want to on, it will be on the right side. Okay. And friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe my channel. And thanks for watching.